Good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome to the unique launch event of GHR Titania by GHR Infra. I would like to warmly welcome our managing partners, Shyam Sundar Reddy Garu and Srinivas Reddy Garu, who are with me here today, and all the other partners who are also here, associates, investors, apartment owners. I take the pleasure to welcome the press, print, electronic, digital media for accepting our invitation to cover the first ever digital property launch in Hyderabad, Telangana post-lockdown. GHR Infra came into existence when three renowned real estate players from Hyderabad, namely Gautami Developers, High Rise Projects, and RR Builders, collaborated. With a collective experience of over 30 years, GHR Infra comes with an in-depth understanding of the real estate sector and strong execution capability. GHR Infra is driven by the promise of building responsibly, by combining innovation and sustainability to pave the way for the futuristic living experience. In our efforts of revolutionizing the real estate industry, we are making the new generation home buyers dream of smart living a reality. We take pride in our uncompromising integrity when providing customers the quality and best service. Our vision is to become the first choice in reality brands in Hyderabad in the next 10 years. Our mission is to build premium properties using state-of-art technology while being responsible towards the ecosystem. Now let's drive to our project from the outer ring road through a drone video navigating to our site.
GHR Infra, one of the most experienced and responsible brand of Hyderabad. Coming up with Titania, a premium gated community of smart living residences at Kondapur. Hyderabad's fastest growing residential and economic hub. With easy connectivity to Nehru ORR. Titania is located close to world-class healthcare, AIG Hospital, and a taste of international flavors, Q-Mart, Radisson, Le Méridien, Global Retails Brands, Spa Hypermarket, Sarath City Mall, AMB Cinema. All minutes from your new home. With the right mentorship for young minds. Chirek International School, EuroKids Play School, Heritage Supermarket, Vijeta Supermarket, Narayana IIT, Arbor International School, GHR Corporate Office. Fly away from the hassle and taxing stress. Stay peacefully in the world of Titania, where time stands still for the few who call this place their home. Developed on the firm foundation of smart and sustainable living. For achievers who know what they want from life, a reflection of their journey of success. Here comes GHR Titania, a community with 480 aesthetically designed premium smart residences in Kondapur, built with futuristic thought and loaded with all modern lifestyle amenities to make your life blissful in this modern era of gated community. GHR Titania. Experience smart living.
Now I would like to call our guest into the world of Titania by opening its digital lock teaser video launch by Mr. Shyam Sundar Reddy Garu, our managing partner, GHR Infra. Now at this occasion, we proudly say that almost 50% of our units are blocked in the pre-booking season. We are a tech savvy, but are responsible. Hence, we are called smart. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Srinivas Reddy Garu to launch the website and throw some light on the unique features of our project. Good. As you can see, our website, ghrinfra.com, consists of multiple pages where you can know about us, a Project Titania page where you can download our e-brochure, an experience center where you can explore the entire project and its units virtually, a distance calculator to know your desired location from our project too. We also have a careers page and all the information to get in touch with us and our project at your convenience, which includes a smart chatbot. We have created an experience center for our customers to explore our project at their convenience from their homes. Let's take a look into the demo and the possibilities of this digital tool in this digital era.
A completely digital environment where customers, when they come to the office premise or even site, they can get to experience a virtual tour of the particular apartment before a construction though is even 50% complete. Before even laying a single brick into the construction, you can actually explore the property. You can actually go inside each and every unit and compare different models and different distinct units, and then get more interested and get more fascinated about the project, what we are actually trying to build. Against what currently what most builders do is they just invest a lot in miniature models, large scale models that don't actually. It's like a museum. Like you can't touch it, you can't move it, you can't do anything. But with Titania, we have created full transparency for the customers to actually interact with the property and take a tour of all the specifications and features of this particular project. So let's explore. So once you come to the site, you will have this big screen experience over here where you can actually be accompanied with a salesperson or with a representative of GHR and start the application. Just 1 second. So this is Titania, fully digital environment with one touch. You can see the whole property panoramic view 360-degree wise. You can see all the floor, 4 blocks, the amenities, the clubhouse, the entrance gate, and the surrounding environment what we have created. Once you click, you even have a compass to see which orientation wise you're actually rotating the property. So once you actually click the particular block, you see a front elevated view of that particular block. This is block A. You have a floor navigator over here. You have a filtration process where customers can actually select the number of what type of unit they want, what type of area orientation, etc., etc., and then you can actually see the availability status of those particular units also. So let's get into any particular floor. This is the magic that we have created. You can collapse to any particular floor that you desire. You can do it over here. You can do it over here. Now we are in the 5th floor. You can see all the information tagged on the 5th floor. This is the floor layout. So let's explore 504 unit. The whole overhead view of that particular unit is displayed over here. We can also have filled it with furniture assets where customers can see more in depth what the particular unit is. So what we can do is let's just explore this and let's get in a perspective view of that particular unit. Let's go to the bedroom. You can see the bedroom environment over here. Let's get to a drawing room. So you get a perspective view as if you are in that particular space, that particular apartment space. Let's see a balcony. Now this is a very unique experience. What most builders don't know how hard it is to convince a customer from a balcony what his view would look like. Traditional brochures, mediums like that, you you can only explain to the customers to his imagination on how the property balcony would look like, and we are digitally showcasing it over here. And not only that, we also have a sun study path over here for customers to see how their unit will look like from the balcony during the day, during the evening. As you can see with the time respective, this is 7 a.m. My property from my balcony. Let's go all the way to evening time. Let's go back to the daytime. We are in the 504 apartment. Let's go back. We have explored 504, but let me just explore more because one property is not enough to explore. You need to have some kind of options to compare and just see what particular property you want to be interested in. Let's go to a east or a west oriented property. Okay, this is the layout. We've seen how it we explored and everything. Let's just pop out the unit plan. A 2D unit plan can be popped out and you can see each dimensions and each orientation of that particular unit layout from top. But I was interested in this apartment earlier, so you can just click on this again, pop out a unit plan of that particular apartment, and then compare to 503 and 504 apartments side by side. So whichever orientation is interested for him, he can actually mark it as a favorite. Let me also say this is also interests me, so I'll mark this also as a favorite. Let me go back. So we have explored two particular units. Let's go back to another block, maybe because it's a user session. He can have unlimited time to actually explore any particular unit he wants. He can go to any block he wants, go to any unit, favorite that, exit. 2 units, we have done a favorite of 4 units. And you can see there's a checkout box saying indicating 4. So favorites of 4, but he's still not done because we have done property exploration now. Property exploration, we still have to explore amenities, surroundings, huge factors for a property when you're displaying a property for customers. So when they walk in, they have nothing to see in the particular site, but we're virtually showing them the site before they invest something in Titanium. Surroundings. I want to know what are the nearby banks. I mean, any commercial space that are nearby. I want to know what are they. So you can just pop out whatever banks are nearby in the property surroundings. So when I click on any particular tag, you get to know what surrounding that is. That is Bank of India right there at 2 kilometers from the from our property site. So let's go to 10. Central Bank of India. Let's go to colleges, whatever nearby. If I'm a family moving in, I want to know what are the schools nearby for my kids. They can actually see it over here. Government offices, hospitals, IT parks, schools. So everything can be mapped. Everything is mapped in our GHR Titania property over here. So in case you want to even see what are the nearby airports, what is the road over there near my property, you can explore that also. Let's go back. Now let's see the main amenities of this particular property over here. I have a clubhouse. So this clubhouse is where all my amenities are there. Most of the amenities that are indoor, that caters to customer relaxation and everything. You can actually explore it as you have explored our blocks. You can see. I collapsed my amenity just to show my indoor sports complexes, my gymnasium, my area where I can have a launch and everything. We'll have this particular thing filled with all the equipment and everything for customers to see what is actually our idea, our vision for the particular clubhouse that we are actually proposing. So we have explored our clubhouse, we have explored our units, we have seen, you can see anytime in the particular frame what are the available units available for 2 BHK, for 3 BHK, for south, east, any orientation with the price filtered range, you can reset it again. And anytime on the screen you can see a daylight simulation showing how property looks or acts in the different time of the day. Now I have opened a lot of units. So what I can do is, you have 4 units interested. compare all the units when you're checking out. If you're not interested in this particular one, you can cancel it out. 3 units you can compare with these factors below. Press next. You get all your details over here, so a salesperson can actually help you see what next procedures can be done for these particular properties that you have chosen. So that's what we are proposing for a digital environment tool for GHR Infra Titanium project. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for showing the demo and the possibilities of this digital tool. Now it's time to unveil the brochure. I require all our partners to gather here and unveil the brochure, the hard copies of the brochure. So we are not different, but we do things differently. Now let me share the core attributes and consumer proportions of GHR Titania, truly a smart and sustainable community. GHR Titania is a premium gated community which is built in 4.7 acres. It consists of 4 blocks of 10 floors each with 480 smart apartments, which is located in Kondapur, Hyderabad. Our configurations are 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments with sizes ranging from 1270 to 2500 SFT. We also have a 24,000 square feet spacious clubhouse, which is fully loaded with amenities such as indoor swimming pool, badminton and squash courts, modern gym, spa, and large banquet hall. We also have many outdoor activities such as tennis, cricket pitch, half basketball courts, and kids play area. This project is designed to delight its residents with a new age smart living features while staying smart. GHR Titania is also committed to protecting the environment. We have been pre-certified with gold rating by Indian Green Building Council as a recognition of us adopting several sustainability initiatives. GHR Titania is one of the rare gated community projects in and around Kondapur, Hyderabad. To carry smart living means doing more with less. To customize surroundings with lifestyle choices, we have married smart technology with the superior designs of a home. I would like to explain more smart features what we have. Lighting and fan automation, control from smartphone or tablet, motion sensors for bathrooms, schedule and automate scenes, scene-based controls, extendable to more smart appliances, remote access across the world. We also have voice-based controls using Siri, Alexa, and Google Home devices. You can come down, visit our office, and you can explore and experience the smart features in our project. As we also believe in taking care of our planet and future generations by using the available resources responsibly. With the IGBC pre-certified rating, every step to take will contribute towards optimizing the usage of scarce resources like electricity. We do our part in making the planet a better place to live in. Our sustainability initiatives are rainwater harvesting systems, electric car charge points, recycling for waste reduction and management, grey water treatments, water efficient fixtures, solar power, smart lighting systems, and health safe paints, to just name a few. As we come to an end, now we would yes, we already done that. Now we are ready for a Q&A session. First, we'll take from media. We have a question for asking the timeline for completion, which is July 2023. And the second question also is the same answer.
Sir, only postal launching,
Iroju brochure, project launch, website brochure, and project launch.
This would start at sir. Project will start at
Already project will start in the construction happening, excavation.
ఎక్కడ కొండపూర్
Uh,
I think it's near Mangala. So if you take left over,
it's just about a kilometer from here.
yeah, just one kilometer from here.
Less
సర్వే
than
నెంబర్
100.
ఉంటుంది
Yeah, survey number 218.
200,
ఎంత సార్
కొండపూర్.
ఎక్స్టెండ్
4.7,
ఎన్ని ఫ్లాట్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్
480 plots. Result is so we have like in the brochure you can see all the specifications and so what we are different from others is like we are giving a
Smart home and
Smart-
sustainability
smart home.
features. అందరి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే కొండపూర్ ఏరియాలో మా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్
క్వాలిటీ ఉంటుందా
ఫీచర్స్ ఆల్ గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ.
కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏముంటే ఒకటి రెండు ఏమైనా చెప్పండి.
సో మా క్లబ్ హౌస్ లో we have an indoor swimming pool, we have a gym, we have banquet halls, we have guest rooms, we have now allocated spaces for work from home, we have badminton courts and from our outdoor amenities చూసుకుంటే మన దగ్గర హాఫ్ బాస్కెట్బాల్ కోర్ట్ ఉంది, జాగింగ్ ట్రాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, టెన్నిస్ కోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, క్రికెట్ పిచ్ ఉంది అండ్ కిడ్స్ ప్లే ఏరియాస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇట్స్ ఫుల్లీ లోడెడ్ విత్ ఆల్ ది అమ్యూనిటీస్.
ఇంకోసారి 3 బిహెచ్కేనా మొత్తం
2.5 3 BHK 1217 square feet నుండి 2500 square feet వరకు అవైలబిలిటీ. So we have two different prices. We have 4 blocks. So in that A block is 6,000 rupees, which is a premium block. That is the basic price. And B, C, and D blocks are 5,800 rupees per square feet.
బిసిడి
B, C, D are 5,800 rupees per square feet. This is the basic price.
Total 4 blocks.
బుకింగ్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి.
Yes, already bookings, pre-bookings kuda ayyayi. But almost 50% project already pre-booked.
So anything you want to mention it particularly in exclusivity? Just few words.
I've already.
Everything is there, but still like from your words, it will be more.
Yeah, so I think most of the things I've already covered. So yeah, like yeah, so premium block చూసుకుంటే మనకి ఏ బ్లాక్ లో how మనకి వేరే బ్లాక్ ఏ బ్లాక్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏ బ్లాక్ లో మనం స్మార్ట్ హోమ్ ఫీచర్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఇంక్లూడెడ్ ఇస్తున్నాం. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ మనం వుడెన్ ఫ్లోరింగ్ ఇస్తున్నాము అండ్ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ లో కూడా డెఫినెట్ గా అదర్ బ్లాక్స్ కి కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఇట్ ఇస్ higher and since మనం సస్టైనబిలిటీ ఫీచర్స్
స్మార్ట్ హోమ్ లేకుండా వస్తాయి సార్
స్మార్ట్ హోమ్ లో
features ఏమిటి?
స్మార్ట్ హోమ్ బేసిక్లీ మనకి కంట్రోల్ బై వాయిస్ కంట్రోల్ చేయొచ్చు. లైక్ ఇన్ గివ్ యు ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఈ రూమ్ లో మేము స్మార్ట్ హోమ్ ని మేము ఆల్రెడీ సెటప్ చేసినాము. హౌ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద ఫ్లాట్. యాక్టివేట్ లైట్స్ ఆఫ్, యాక్టివేట్ లైట్స్ ఆన్.
I tried, but some devices.
సో ఇలా మనము వాయిస్ బేస్డ్ కంట్రోల్ ఆర్ ఎనీవేర్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఆఫీస్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ యూ కెన్ కంట్రోల్ యువర్ హౌస్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ హౌస్.
The importance of home and kind of.
So also we have sustainability features are there, IGBC green certification, gold rating. So IGBC like I already mentioned, manaku anni rain water harvesting, electric car charge points, waste recycling, health safe paints, ilanti chala features memo as per IGBC standards prakaram we are building the project.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ అయింది సార్?
ఇది July 2023. And over for position we are going to do.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
Yes, already
ఎక్కువ
started.
టైం తీసుకుంటుంది దానికి మీ ఫీచర్స్ మీ ప్లాన్ ప్రకారం ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుంది.
ఎక్కువ టైం ఏం లేదు, మేము కొంచెం ఎక్కువ టైం చెప్తాము. మేము అంతకన్నా ముందే we will deliver. So we are very sure that we will deliver before that.
Okay, thank you.
One chance.
Yeah, so participants have asked few questions. We would like to answer them.
Sir, what is one channel? He will be yes. We'll ask.
That's fine. Okay. We are associated with CBRE to take care of our which is coming as a project management consultant. They will be handling all the project related works. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. One of the participant has asked what impact does COVID will have on real estate industry? I think you can answer.
So I think, so at this point, I think the COVID impact in the sense like probably we already started.
Yeah. So already I think the impact is fading away. We've already been through 3 months of this phase, and we don't think it would be more than 3 more months. And definitely there is a positive. Customers are walking in. Customers are inquiring about the project. So all this is happening. So I don't think it would be there for too long, and it is already fading away. It's covered. So yeah, one of the participant is asking for what is the launch price. As I mentioned, we have two different prices. Our basic price for block A, which is a premium block, is 6,000 rupees per square feet, and blocks B, C, and D is 5,800 rupees per square feet.
How much you are charging for the smart home features?
Okay, smart home for premium block is included. So in the 6,000 rupees per square feet, it is already included. Yes, previously our space for our conference room was there. So now we have changed since everyone wants to work from home these days, so we have allocated space and for people to work from home and in a room. And also we have 2.5 BHK flats wherein we have an extra study room where now you can also set up your work from home space. Water source. So yeah, we have borewells, and we would be taking a municipal connection too, and we also are using this sustainable features to recycle the water, and also we use the water efficient fixtures to optimize the water consumption, and which reduces by 40%. So our consumption is already less.
Do we have loan?
A participant is asking, do we have a loan facility for buying apartments? What banks are you with for pre-approved loans? Yes, we have a loan facility which we have already associated with HDFC, ICICI, and many other banks. And that's it. Okay. So if there are any more questions, we'll be answering. We'll be typing and answering to your questions. Thank you very much. I would like to thank all of your wonderful participation and thank you for all the questions. So I hope I have answered all your questions. Now I would like to thank all our partners, associates, investors, apartment owners, press, print, electronic, digital media for accepting our invitation by attending this unique launch event. Thank you very much.